Yes, very good evening, my dear friends, and a warm welcome to this very important session on your India's largest online live learning platform by GradeUp, my dear friends. You are watching me live on this platform, my dear friends, and I very good, my dear friends. So today we'll be talking about a very important session, that is preparation strategy and the weightage analysis for the subject engineering mechanics, my dear friends. Very good evening, all of you. So, my dear friends, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rushi Joshi. I have got around 16 plus years of experience in training aspirants who are preparing for the competitive exam such as ESC and the GATE, my dear friends. I have mentored around these many students. My GATE score is this, and these are the subjects of my expertise, my dear friends. And I am dealing these subjects for the aspirants who are preparing for the competitive exam. So, my dear friends, right. So I would like to just announce you a very important batch that is called as a Rank Up Gate Mechanical, my dear friends. This is a fast track revision course and we are just going with batch 2, my dear friend. After tremendous response of batch 1, we have started recently the batch 2 of Rank Up Gate Mechanical, my dear friends. It is a fast track revision course where we'll be dealing with more number of questions related to all the subjects, my dear friends. You can see that along with me, the topmost faculty, Dheeraj Sardana sir, Chandrasekhar sir, Harshit Agarwal sir, Balaji sir are there to deal with the subject, my dear friends. And the highlight of this course is around 300 plus hours of live classes will be given to you, my dear friend. The best part here is that if you miss any class, it is available for you on a recorded form, my dear friends. 3000 plus practice questions will be dealt in this 300 hours, my dear friends. Study notes will be given to you, my dear friends. Mock test is also provided and a daily or a subject wise quiz is also provided to you, my dear friends. Very good. Right. So, my dear friends, are you ready to have the analysis and the preparation strategy for the subject engineering mechanics, my dear friends? Yes, please respond in the comment box and very fastly click the like button, those who are watching me on YouTube, my dear friends. Okay, very good, my dear friends. Come on, cheer up. So, my dear friends, engineering mechanics is one of the very important subject for mechanical engineering students, my dear friends. The weightage of this subject first we will deal and then we'll go for the strategy that how we should prepare this subject for our GATE examination, my dear friends, and to get a good marks in this subject so that it will be helpful for other subjects also, my dear friends. Now, when I talk about the engineering mechanics, my dear friends, frankly speaking, you can expect at least 2 to 3 questions related to this subject. So, the weightage of engineering mechanics is around 2 to 3 questions will be there 2 to 3 questions in every paper will be asked to you, my dear friend. 2 to 3 questions. Some are 1 mark and some are 2 mark, my dear friends. And if you see the highlight of that questions which are being asked in the previous years as well in GATE 2021 will be mostly from the equilibrium, free body diagram, analysis of trusses, and you see the rigid motion of a plane, general plane motion of a rigid body, my dear friends. These are the important things on which we can expect the question related to this. So if I see the analysis of IIT Bombay, which was being conducted in 1993, 1999, 2005 and 2013, we have seen that more number of questions are there in engineering mechanics, almost up to 7 to 8 marks also we have got it. Okay, Ashwin, it is not available on YouTube. I think there is some issue with that, I feel. Okay, let's continue here. So my dear friends, if I talk about this weightage, every year you see there are 2 to 3 questions compulsory which will be there here. But the highlight of this is engineering mechanics is the basic foundation subjects where the concepts of this are being used in majority of the subject. So the concepts are used in majority of the subjects such as your strength of material, your theory of machine, your machine design, in fact in fluid mechanics, in fact in manufacturing, we use the concepts of engineering mechanics in this application subjects, my dear friends. So you should be very strong enough in this so that we can solve the questions in other subjects very fastly, my dear friends. Is it okay? Right. So what are the major topics if I talk about the engineering mechanics? One is statics, my dear friends, and one is dynamics. So these are the two important topics which we will be dealing in our engineering mechanics. One is statics and one is dynamics. And in statics, the major contribution will be from the free body diagram. So if you are capable of drawing a free body diagram of a particular component, then definitely within half a minute or 1 minute you will get the answer for that, my dear friends. So generally, if I say that in GATE examination, it is 65 questions to be answered in 180 minutes, my dear friend. Everybody is well aware that each question timing is just 2.7 minutes, my dear friend, which is very small. So definitely we can do this problems of engineering mechanics which are concept related, my dear friend, will be with very minimum time you can solve it. But the very important thing is that whoever does correct also do it in half a minute. Whoever do wrong will also do it in minimum time, my dear friends. But our aim is that we should do correctly in minimum time. That is what our interest is. Is it clear? So my dear friends, this is what is very, very important here that we need to understand while going for the competitive exam, that the time available for each question is very less, and accordingly you should have a shortcut techniques where the topmost faculty in grade up will be telling you in that way that a problem can be solved in half a minute or 1 minute or maximum of 2.7 minutes, my dear friends. Is it clear? Right. So my dear friends, the important topic in this, as I told you, that free body diagram and analysis of the trusses. There also we see free body diagram is being used. Analysis of trusses, these are the two major important areas where you can get the question. Trusses will be this. In dynamics, mostly asked question will be from the rigid body in plane motion. Rigid body in plane motion, my dear friends, which we call it as general plane motion also. These are the very important concept where every year you can expect one question on these topics, my dear friends. These are very, very important, my dear friends. Is it clear to all of you? Yes, my dear friends. So I will just tell you that how much is the weightage of every topic and every subject in last 10 to 12 years, or I can say that last 10 to 12 years of GATE examination, what is the analysis, and then we'll go for the preparation strategy of this, my dear friends. Very good. So my dear friends, if I talk about this 2020, right? So So my dear friends, you can see that there are 5 marks which were from engineering mechanics and mostly from free body diagram and dynamics are the major contribution of this. You have got one mark question and two marks question which gives you 5 marks. In set 2 there are 1 mark question and 2 marks question which has given you 4 marks and mostly from statics and dynamics, my dear friend, that is from free body diagram again. So my dear friend, the major contribution will be from free body diagram is very important and trusses in statics. If I talk about the dynamics part, it is general plane motion which is there from dynamics. Very good. So if you see the analysis of my dear friends 2019, 18 and 17, almost you can see in 2019 set 1 there are 5 marks and in set 2 there are 3 marks, my dear friends, and in 2018 you can see there are 4 marks. Now here you can see the highlight, my dear friends. In 2018 there were 7 marks which were from engineering mechanics, my dear friends. So this is one of the very important year where you have seen that major contribution is from engineering mechanics, my dear friends. In 2017 set 1 you can see there are 4 marks and here you can see there is 6 marks again. In 2017 also it was a very good year where you can see that around 6 marks were from engineering mechanics. No, Ashwin. In morning session and afternoon session, there are 2 sessions in which the mechanical paper is being conducted. There are 2 papers in which the mechanical students are being taking the examination. For example, in the February first week, maybe Saturday or Sunday, there will be morning 10 o'clock one session and afternoon there will be 2 o'clock there will be another session. Is it clear now? Different students will be writing that examination. Single student will not be appearing for both the exams. Is it clear, Ashwin? Right. So my dear friends, if you see the next previous years 2016 set 1, set 2 and set 3, as the number of students in 2016 were more, it was being conducted 3 times. Means, for example, Saturday morning 10 o'clock, Saturday afternoon 2 o'clock and next Sunday morning 10 o'clock. Likewise set 1, set 2 and set 3 was being conducted where you can see that in set 1 there are 6 and in set 3 there are 7 marks. Whereas in set 2 you can see that we have got only 3 marks in 2016. So yes, Kumar, depending upon the number of, as the mechanical aspirants are too high compared to other branches, it may be 2 sessions. Previously it was 3 sessions and in 2014 there were 4 sessions also, because that was the first year where multiple sessions were taken up here, my dear friends. Is it clear? Right. So in 2015 you see that the highest marks was 9 marks which was there in the complete 10 years of our GATE examination for engineering mechanics, my dear friends. Here you can see that 5 marks and 4 marks in this. If you see 2014, my dear friends, you can see there are 4 sets of paper. Means Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. There were 4 sessions, my dear friends, and the maximum marks were 7, which was in set 4, my dear friends. Whereas you can see 6 marks were there, where 2 1 mark question and 2 2 marks question were there in set 1 and set 2, my dear friends. Whereas in set 3 there are only 3 marks which are being asked in 2014, my dear friend. This is what the analysis here. And again I can say that the major contribution is from statics only, and that is from free body diagram and analysis stresses, and in few year we can see the questions from friction also, my dear friends. 2013 there was only a single paper and we got only 3 marks and mostly from dynamics part here that you got it. Means here we can see that general plane motion was mostly asked. General plane motion was the question which was mostly asked. And along with that, one question was from friction also, I feel. Now you see that in 2012 also there was only one paper, and this is what is the analysis. You can just see the analysis before 2012 also, my dear friends. So it was doubled here. So you can see that it has been doubled. No need to worry about this. So 2011 there are 5 marks, 2008 6 marks, 2010 4 marks. And now if you can see 2013, you have got around 3 marks which were being there in 2013, my dear friends. So I think the analysis says that every year it varies from 3 to 7 marks. So on an average I can expect around 5 marks will be there from engineering mechanics subject, from EM. Is it clear now? And what I want to say here is that the major contribution will be from your free body diagram, analysis of trusses, friction we need to focus, and also we need to focus on kinetics part, that is general plane motion of a rigid bodies, and at last collision of elastic bodies. So very less questions were there on collision of elastic bodies, but there are some questions related to that also. Any doubt, my dear friend? Yes, statics and dynamics are very, very important, my dear friends, and which will give you almost 80% of the engineering mechanics syllabus, my dear friends. Yes, any doubt, Ashwin, Kumar, is it okay? Now we'll see what is the strategy for solving this paper, my dear friends. Very good, my dear friends, very good. Right. So now what should be the strategy of solving this problem? The very important thing that we need to do it as the first subject that we need to do it is engineering mechanics. You need to prepare. You need to prepare engineering mechanics, because the concepts of this engineering mechanics will be used in your strength of material, in your theory of machine, in your machine design, in fluid mechanics some concepts. Also in manufacturing we use these concepts of engineering mechanics. Sir, whenever IITB has conducted, weightage of engineering mechanics increased. What can we expect? Yes, I can expect that in GATE 2021 the weightage will vary from again 5 to 7 marks, my dear friends. That is what my analysis says. So my analysis, approximate 5 to 7 marks will be there, Kumar, that we can get it in 2021. But the major important thing about engineering mechanics is that if you want to solve a problem in strength of material or theory of machine or machine design or some topics in fluid and manufacturing, definitely you should have a thorough knowledge of engineering mechanics. That is what we need to do it. So my dear friends, and the second important thing is prepare each and every topic of engineering mechanics. Prepare each and every topic of engineering mechanics, because all topics there will not be question, but you see there are some application questions where you require everything. For example, in GATE 2013, there was a question something like this, and the question was just finding out the reaction at A point. So there was a force which is vertical applied here, and the weight of this rod AB is W. Weight is equal to W. So the question was, if F is suddenly removed, then RA is equal to, what is the value of RA was the question. So generally we are very casual that it is the reaction which is asked to you, that weight of the bar is W. So obviously RA will be W. Why? Because we don't focus that it is an hinge support at A. And you see that if I draw the free body diagram of this, then you see that if I draw the free body diagram of this, then you see that you will be getting RA acting up, W acting down, and there is a torque which is I alpha, which is contributing in the rotation of this bar. Is it okay? So generally it is a dynamic question where the question for RA is asked to you, my dear friends. So it is not just a static part, it is dynamic. So what are the things that we need to understand in this? The very first thing that we need to understand in this problem is, right? So what are the things that we need to understand here is, the very first thing we should have statics part. We should know the moment of inertias. Then only you can solve this problem because I alpha is there. We should know the D'Alembert principle, that is kinetics part. Then only you can solve this problem, my dear friends. So in order to solve a single question, we should know all the topics of engineering mechanics. Is it clear now? That is what my aim here is, that whenever you prepare everything of this. Don't leave any topic. Don't prepare like your university preparation, my dear friends. Yes, Santosh Raj, what are the subjects you are going to handle in gear up and rank up? So Santosh, mostly I will be talking about engineering mechanics and machine design. If time permits, I will also talk on strength of material also. Is it clear? Right. Any doubt in this, my dear friends? Now the third part here is that our focus should be on free body diagram. That is equilibrium. How to get a free body diagram? How to get a good grip on this free body diagram? Yes, my dear friends, can you tell me? As many number of practice problems you have to solve, you will be getting a good command on this. So solve more number of practice problem. So solve more number of questions. As I can very confidently say that the orientation of each and every problem in engineering mechanics will be different. So how to solve the questions? My dear friends, you start the basics from your 11th and 12th standard physics textbook. Basics from 11th and 12th standard physics. That will give a very strong basics. If you are very good at that, definitely you can do it engineering mechanics with very beautiful colors, my dear friends. And next important thing, the good books, good standard books you follow for problems. And the third important thing is our rank up gate course, our rank up gate program will give you almost 3000 plus practice questions, my dear friend. Questions. Our rank up course will give you almost 3000 plus practice questions, so that it will be helpful for you, that you can see the varieties of the questions which are there, my dear friends. Is it clear, right? So this is what we need to do it. And fourth important thing is that most of the questions from this, most of engineering mechanics questions are concept based, and concept based questions are very important. 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 Concept bas are concept based and mostly multiple choice questions, and you see that multiple select questions are also there. So your contribution for engineering mechanics will be mostly here. Why? Because there is a negative marking in multiple choice question. Is it okay, my dear friends? Santosh, Ashwin, Kumar, clear? Next important thing that we need to do it is prepare a short notes which comprises of all the formulas, all the concepts, all the difficult questions. So these are the things that we have to do it in our short notes and regularly revise this. Maybe in 15 days, maybe in 10 days, 1 month, you do this. Why? Because from today, if I talk, that is, today is September, October, November, December, and January. These are the 5 months left over for you, my dear friends. So in this 5 months, we need to prepare in such a way that these are the important things that we need to do it, that we should remember the formula. How it is possible to remember the formula? Everybody is well aware of the moment of inertia of the rectangle. Yes, what is the moment of inertia of the rectangle, my dear friends? Moment of inertia of a rectangle. Yes, my dear friends, what is the moment of inertia of a rectangle? Moment of inertia of a circle. Yes, for rectangle the moment of inertia is BDQ by 12. Everybody know this about XX. I know the moment of inertia of a circle, which is pi by 64 d to the power of 4. This also you know it. But if I ask you the moment of inertia of a parabola, it will take some time, my dear friends, because we are not using that parabola, ellipse and all those things on a regular basis. Rectangle and circle we are using regularly. That is the reason we know it. That is what I am telling you, my dear friend. No need to mug up the formulas. You just write down the formulas in a separate notebook where you can see it regularly in an interval of 10 or 15 days, my dear friends. So in September you see it twice, October you see it twice, November you see it twice, December you see it twice, January you see it thrice, so that all that formulas will be there in your mind. Give highlighting colors, my dear friends, so that it will attract that formula very easily in your mind, so that whenever you require it, it will come very fastly, my dear friends. Same is the case with the concept, my dear friends. That concepts, in order to come early in the examination in lesser time, definitely we need to use that on a regular basis. Is it clear now? So how it is possible on a regular basis? Because if you keep it separately, definitely you can do it. Otherwise it is not possible for you. Why? Because I will give a engineering mechanics notes for 100 pages. You cannot every time refer 100 pages. Your short note should be in such a way that if you prepare that, you should see the complete engineering mechanics. It should be in 10 pages or 15 pages, my dear friends. And the last important thing is the difficult questions which you cannot solve in the very first attempt, my dear friends. Which you cannot solve in a very first attempt. That is what is very important. So, my dear friends, can you tell me the answer for this? Suppose there is a arc, ABC is an arc. So there is a vertical loading here of 10 Newton. Now tell me, if I say that the reaction at A point is theta degree to the horizontal, what is theta? So generally this is a very concept question. If you go on solving the problem, you will never get the answer in this. So my dear friends, if I draw the free body diagram at A, you see that A is subjected to only two forces. One is called as Ra and other one is called as F of AB. When can you say that it is in equilibrium? When both are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction and pass through the same point. Is it okay? So my dear friend, a small concept definitely will give answer in 10 seconds only. So here your theta should be equal to 45 degree, my dear friends. This is just because you know the concept that a body which is subjected to two forces will be in equilibrium only if they are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction and pass through the same point, my dear friends. Is it okay? Very good, Kumar. Others, very good, my dear friends. So this is what, if you don't revise it, it is going to be a problem for you in the examination. So you should have the concept of two force that you can solve the problem in a lesser time. So if you are solving this problem in half a minute, remaining time can be used for some application questions, my dear friends. So out of 2.7 minutes, maximum you take 0.7 minutes for this, so that 2 minutes will be left over for another question, my dear friends. I am telling you that every second in the question is very important. Every second, if you can save in the examination, is really important, my dear friends. So we need to understand that. That is what is very important. And next important thing is that as there are problems, you have to practice the problem solving method as you are done in your 12th standard. What you used to do in 12th standard, my dear friends? We don't have calculator in 12th standard. Is it clear now? So what we used to do? We reduce the equation to a simpler form. Is it clear now? So here also the calculator which is there with you in 4 years of engineering is not helpful in your competitive exam, my dear friends. Either you practice with a scientific calculator online, or my dear friends, you reduce the equation to a simpler form. So make a habit of solving the problems as you used to do it in 12th standard, that is in your intermediate, my dear friends, by reducing the equation into smaller one. Now today if I ask you what is sine 30 and cos 60 or cos 30 and sine 60, you will take some time. Why? Because you are handicapped with the calculator, my dear friends. But whereas in the 12th standard, you know everything. Sine 0, you know sine 30, you know sine 60, you know sine 45, you know sine 90. Accordingly, you know cos, accordingly, you know tan, accordingly, you can get everything without calculator. But today, if I ask you a question about that angles, definitely very less people will be solving that, because you are not, you are handicapped with your calculator. Is it clear, my dear friend? Very good, my dear friends. Come on, cheer up. Tirupati Raidu. Sir, is this first class? No. Already there are few subjects. Analysis has been done. Engineering, mechanics and machine design today and tomorrow I will be taking. Any more doubts? Thank you, Santosh. So these are facts that we don't realize and we go on doing this. Is it okay? Very good, my dear friends. Any doubts you got it? Yes. Any questions? Right? So my dear friends, what you do is while practicing any subject, you please use scientific calculator if you want to solve the problem. Otherwise, you go to your 12th standard, make your equations simpler and solve it very easily. Why? Because your calculator which you are using in 4 years will solve the complete equation, but whereas scientific calculator will not do that. Yes, so that is what the last slide, Santosh, that I will be talking about. What are the good books that will be, what are the books that we are using it or we need to follow for our preparation. Is it clear? Right. So my dear friend, there are some good books, standard books that we need to follow for the good practice questions, my dear friends. You can see a textbook by UC Jindal sir and Engineering Mechanics 4th edition by Bhavika T. Introduction to Mechanics by Klipner, Engineering Mechanics by Merriam, and Mechanics of Solid, which is for Popov, which is good book for strength of material also, my dear friends. So these are the some of the good books that you have to follow, my dear friends, so that you will be getting different varieties of questions, different concept based questions in this. So you have to use your formulas that you have studied, you have to revise your concepts, and there are some application questions that we need to solve it. And practice is very important, my dear friends. So first you have to learn the subject in the orientation. Learn subject properly means in what orientation you require, in that you need to learn. Second, practice. And third is writing the test series, so that before GATE examination you will get a good grip on how the exam will be, how the questions are, what are the possible things where you are wasting your time. All those things you can see in the test series, my dear friend. But I have seen most of the students, after preparing, learning the subject, practicing, directly they go and write the GATE examination without writing even one test also, my dear friend. That is a blunder mistake that you are doing it. My dear friends, please learn from the mistake. Make a mistake notebook also, so that mistakes will not be repeated, my dear friends. That is what we need to do it. Is it clear, my dear friends, everybody? Yes. If you don't have any more doubts, then I will take a leave. Is it okay? So my dear friends, I want to announce one more program which is going on, that is called as a Gear Up Mechanical course, my dear friends. It is the best course for concept building, my dear friends. It is a concept building program which is being conducted by Grade Up. So what will be the highlight of this and who are there? You can see that along with me, the other topmost faculties are dealing this subject, my dear friends. You can just have a free trial of the classes also. So my dear friend, the highlight of this is 350 plus hours of live classes will be there. 3200 practice questions will be there. Study notes are also provided to you. Full length mock test and daily test are also given to you, my dear friends. So this will be the right course for the students, those who are preparing from the basic, mostly for the third year students. Why? Because GATE 2021 third year students are also eligible to write the GATE examination, my dear friends. Any doubt you have got it? If no doubts are there, then I will take a leave. So my dear friends, please take care of yourself, stay at home, but don't forget to be in tune with Grade Up Super, my dear friends, which will give an unlimited access to all the structured live courses, my dear friends. Is it okay? So please take care of your health and your family members and stay at home, stay safely. Is it okay? Okay, Kumar. Thank you. Now you can go through all the free classes where definitely you will get a very good concept and shortcut techniques of solving the problem. Is it clear? Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day. Good night.